We're actually in the middle of drilling holes in the carbon fiber hood so that we could have these nice white aluminum hood pins. So it'll go in like that, and it matches the white wrap pretty well. But the reason we have this is because when we go on the track, this is carbon fiber, this little latch right here, the bolts could always separate from the hood and this thing goes flying up. We don't want that. So we got hood pins. These can hold like 400 pounds each. If I recall, that's what they're graded at. And they're held in by these little pins and they just snap on. Super easy to use. So the NSXR belt receptacles are gonna go in there. We gotta bolt those in. We gotta pull the seats back out. Garage is a mess right now. But we also got from Mita Motorsports the reinforced door trim liner set. So this piece all around the perimeter, that bolts it to the door skin. And all these tabs, like 80% of the tabs on the OEM ones were all broken off. So the door was like barely held on. This is reinforced. So it's got like these little support pieces on the side. You can see like there, it's kind of like got this curvature here. But the factory ones would just go straight down and it would make it snap off more easily. And of course it gets brittle over age. So brand new door liner, $250 from Mita Motorsports, also shipped here in like 2 days. And we got another item today. This is my climate control unit. I had it sent out and rebuilt because the fan was only blowing on max speed. So got that sent out, repaired. It was $300. Got it there and back in about a week or so. Last update for now, we have a Pioneer double DIN touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android Play. So getting with the times, the old radio did not have CarPlay at all. So we went with the wireless CarPlay one. Have this in my truck right now. Love it. Works great. Connects like almost immediately as soon as you turn it on. And it's never frozen up on me before. So good radio. You can get these for about $260 on eBay, refurbished, and I got them. Literally looks brand new, and that's like a $400 radio if you were to get it brand new. You're doing an NSX Japanese parts haul unboxing. We got Gabe over here. It's actually his birthday today.
Yes, sir.
Turned 21. So for his 21st birthday, he gets to unbox some of my parts. And he gets to help install them too. I think that's a pretty sick gift. But big box. This is from Impex Japan. IMPEX. I ordered this about a month ago and it just showed up today. Reason being, they were on holiday for like 10 days. And then they had to ship it. That took like 2 days. Then it got held up in customs. I had to give them a more descriptive explanation as to what kind of car parts these were. Luckily, I got a car person on FedEx and they knew exactly what this was. Bunch of stuff. We got some taillight gaskets. These are all OEM Honda. These are the 2002 to 2005 taillights. I like the 02 version because it has the turn signal in yellow on the corners. I always like that look, and it's gonna match the 02 rear valence that we have. Brand new. Yeah, that's fire. This is their driver's side, our passenger side. So everything is a direct plug and play. Just swap over the bulbs and everything is held in by 10mm nuts. These are from Mexi Racer Garage out in California. We got a new set of wheels. Brand new, fresh powder coating in bronze. The most overrated JDM wheel. You guys guess what it is?
All right, time to reveal.
If you guys guess TE37s, you're wrong. Just kidding. OG TE37s, 17x9 plus 22 in Mexi bronze. So this is the closest thing you'll get to I guess the OG bronze. He even gave us the brand new OG black stickers. These are gonna go in the rears. And you guys are probably wondering, why am I going with 17x9s in the rears when I have 19s in the back on this car? Looks good. Lightweight.
Pretty light.
Let's check on the inside. Look at that, made in Japan. Got all the stamps, 17, forged. Nice. My first set of OG TE37s ever. So the reason why I went with 17s in the back, and you guys can already guess, the fronts are in that little box right there. Those are 16x8 plus 30. And because I'm gonna track this car, I need a smaller wheel with a bigger tire. So we got these a couple weeks ago. These are RT 615K from Falken. These are 200 treadwear tires. Those are 255 40 17s for the rears, 215 45 16 in the front. I ran these tires on my Type R. I did like 6 track days with them and still had a ton of tread life left. These are good tires. They're good entry level track tires. They take a little bit to heat up, but like I said, they last a long time and they're very consistent between hot laps. So if you guys are going for strictly lap times, these are not the tires for you. But if you just want to have fun and learn on the track, great track tire, very inexpensive. These were $600 for all 4. So those are concave 17s. The fronts are unfortunately not concave. You could have gotten the 16x8 plus 20. They would have poked out a lot on the front fenders and would have rubbed unless I went crazy camber and a camber kit. And you have to do like control arm bushing camber kits. It's not just like a regular like top hat. So I didn't feel like doing that, and I not doing the wide body anymore. So we went with the 16x8 plus 30, which are still gonna poke very similar to what I have now. Those are 16x8, or those are 18x8 plus 28, so very similar. So honestly, the non-concave face, seeing it for the first time in person, it's not that bad. Like there's like TE37s that are convex where literally like the spokes are popping out past the lip. We don't want that, and we don't have that here. Honestly, I don't hate it.
That's good.
Let's see it from the 45-degree angle. So I mean, it's still a little bit concave. It's not super flat faced. Like you can see here, it goes inwards a little bit. So I'm happy. And I think they're gonna look really good with the Falken tires that we're putting on. And because of the delay, Robert made things right. He's gonna give us the OG matching center caps. He's gonna powder coat those whenever he gets them from Japan. I think this is gonna be a sweet track setup. Can never go wrong with some authentic TE37s for track and show. Lightweight wheels, strong, easy to clean, and they always hold their value really well. Let's see what else we got. This is the other taillight. You already know what that looks like. We got more taillight gaskets. So this is the weather gasket. You don't want to reuse the OEM one, especially when these are like $5. Another gasket. This is the NSX Type R seatbelt receptacle. The reason why we need that is because we have the Recaro pull positions, and the angle of the OEM receptacle is like very sharp. It looks like that. The NSXR one's more straight up, so that way it can slide through the hole on the side of the seat. So this was actually a recommendation from, I think, Driving Ambition on Instagram. He also gave us measurements for the seats, so that was nice. And he told us to get these. So you can see how they're more straight. And this is like a slimmer receptacle. So that way, this actually is the OEM receptacle for the NSX Type R Recaro pull positions. And those seats are like 20 grand on Obtanium. So we just got the regular pull position ABEs, and these will work great with that. I was excited for that. This is the NA2 intake manifold cover in the wrinkle red. Love the wrinkle red, factory color. Oh, it's the little knee bolstering for the steering wheel. So this goes underneath the steering column. This is the genuine leather, how it looks brand new. There's the keyhole. Mine had all like broken clips on the inside, so that's why we just got a brand new one. If I don't install this, we can always just resell it. You save a lot of money ordering from these guys. It takes a little bit, but it's well worth it. Oh, this is just another steering seatbelt receptacle. So that's for the other side. Oh, another, nice. I think this is the NSX Type R or the NA2 NSX intake manifold cover garnish piece, whatever you want to call this, but way nicer than my current one. That looks sick. OEM wrinkle red. All right, so this is indeed the interior trim piece. When you are in your car, you open the door, there's like the plastic trim that covers all like the wiring. That's what it is. So the reason why I got that is because mine, again, all broken clips. It wasn't being held down to the ground. Oh, that's the center tail light. Nice. So this one says Honda. Look at that. Gorgeous. Our last box of the shipment. I think this is the interior trim piece for the driver's side. No, that's for the passenger side. Oh, okay, I know why. I remember now. And you can't just buy that piece separately because I think it's all one piece and it just broke off. So I just have a gap between that piece and this piece. This piece goes to like the fender well area. So that's the matching piece for that.